Look at this vehicle. How sick.
So excited. So excited, right?
How frickin' nice is this?
Hey, Bailey! I think I can genuinely say that this is the most beautiful water I've ever seen. And we haven't even started the trip yet. So this is going to be pretty amazing.
Kai.
I know, it's my real name.
Yeah, Kai.
So we just got dropped off on this beautiful island and we're sleeping in these things. How cool. Oh my gosh. How's our new home, babe? I would love you to make the bed. Okay. Bales is already sleeping in this one. She's passed out already. Anique's making the bed in ours. How great. There she is. Just look at this place. This is where we are. Amazing. You're the first candidate. Cheers! She has arisen. Look, good morning. I cannot believe this. Look at these turtles.
Leave.
These guys are nuts. It's crazy. Goodbye.
One of the lads.
Goodbye. Goodbye, little turtles. Camp day 2. Camp number 2 has showers.
Kind of looks like maple syrup a little bit.
You look like maple syrup. How was the shower?
Oh, it's the best shower of my life. That guy?
That guy.
The ladies in the kitchen. I didn't say it. You said it.
That's really big and I do.
Here's our accommodation night 3 and 4. Pretty much the same as night 1 and 2, but a little bit more luxurious. Excuse the absolute disaster happening here, but you get the point. You can even got a fan on this island. How exciting.
How's your life over here? I can't complain, that's for sure. Got my coconut.
Wow.
Got my book.
Oh my god.
Got this view.
What else?
Doesn't get much. Got you.
The best thing.
The best things in life.
Wow.
Oh my god, Sang looks so sexy in his life.
It's the necklace. It's the necklace. It's like pure power of sex.
Well, it's the morning of day 5 of the Tao Expedition. It was the best thing that I've done in the Philippines so far. It was so amazing, so many nice people, so many unbelievable beaches, crystal clear waters. The food was the best food that I've had probably on the whole trip. So if you're ever in the Philippines and you're going from Coron to El Nido or El Nido to Coron, make sure you do the Tao Expedition because it's truly amazing. Oh, what a sad day. Very, very emotional time for everybody.